This tutorial review will show you how to play YouTube music in background in iPhone. First of all, open your Safari browser and type here youtube.com. Once you opened the YouTube here, open a video. And now tap on this full screen icon to make the video full screen. And simply close the browser. Now, if I open my shutter here we can see the YouTube video title showing up here. So I'm going to tapping on play video. Tap and hold on it to see the YouTube video here. So that's how we can play YouTube video in background in iPhone. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe tutorial reviewer. See you in the next video.